evening, everyone. My name is Sharon Wood, and I'm Dean of the Cockrell School of Engineering. Welcome to our first ever virtual commencement celebration. I would like to offer my heartfelt congratulations to all of our spring 2020 degree candidates. Not only are you graduating from one of the world's best engineering schools, you have displayed more resiliency than any graduating class in recent history. I couldn't be more proud of you. As I stand here in an empty Mulva auditorium in the Engineering Education and Research Center, I am reminded by how much I've missed seeing all of you on campus and experiencing your energy as we engage and interact in this amazing building. It is incredibly unfortunate that we cannot be together today to hold our traditional commencement ceremony on campus. And I wish it had been possible for you to say goodbye to your friends, the campus, and the Cockrell School properly. Each of you deserves to experience your college graduation the way it was intended to be celebrated, with your families in attendance and your classmates standing beside you, and to be honored in a way that doesn't require a computer monitor, a website password, or 6 feet of separation. I realize that this virtual celebration can in no way replicate a formal commencement ceremony. But I also know that the milestone we recognize today means so much more than a 3-hour event in a basketball arena. Commencement ceremonies are wonderful occasions, but they are one-time events. Your engineering degree from the University of Texas is permanent, and what we are really celebrating today is your successful completion of your engineering degree. Congratulations. Today is also a time of great joy for your family and friends. They have given so much, they have supported and believed in you, and now they have joined you to share your accomplishments. If you are participating in this virtual celebration with your loved ones next to you, I want to ask each of you right now to give them a hug, a fist bump, or maybe just a nod to recognize the important roles that they have played in your success. Go ahead, I'll wait. Although COVID-19 has shifted our classes temporarily online, the Cockrell School prides itself in offering students a multidisciplinary and experiential engineering education. Over the course of your studies, you have persevered through a rigorous curriculum. You have been tested and challenged, especially in the past 2 months, and you have not only overcome those obstacles, you have excelled. During your time in the Cockrell School, you have developed the skills needed to address the complex technical challenges facing our world today. Your generation of young engineers can and will make a difference in the years ahead. Each of you has been taught to think big, be bold, and pursue solutions that save and improve lives. And I am proud to say that Texas engineers are one of a kind. They are fearless, ambitious leaders determined to change the world. As new graduates of the Cockrell School, you have a bright future ahead of you. My hope is that you will leave the 40 acres with the conviction to not just make an impact on society, but to change society for the better. Graduation is not only special for you and your families, it's also a significant occasion for everyone in the Cockrell School. Our faculty and staff members are thought leaders, award winners, inventors, and world-class researchers, but they are also committed to providing critical support for your development as an engineer. This personal investment and deep devotion to the educational mission of the Cockrell School is one of our core values as an institution, and it's what helps to set the University of Texas apart from our peers. Our department chairs, the leaders of our 7 engineering departments, embody this devotion and serve as champions of our academic mission. Each of them have a brief message to share with you.
Hello, class of 2020. I'm Noel Clemens, chair of the Department of Aerospace Engineering and Engineering Mechanics. And I'm excited to offer my heartfelt congratulations to the newest aerospace and computational engineering graduates of our department. You have worked extremely hard to complete your degrees, and you should be proud of your achievement. The dedication and creativity you've shown over your collegiate career is truly inspiring, and I'm proud to call you Texas engineers. You've mastered concepts, learned how to solve complex engineering problems, and understand how to apply your knowledge to the real world. Although you may be feeling anxious about your future, you should be proud of the amazing growth you've undergone as a person over these 4 years. You've learned how to be a team player, how to work with people from different backgrounds, and how you fit into the world as a global citizen. I'd like to mention just a few highlights that make this class of 2020 exceptional. You were there as the department moved homes from WRW, and many of you went from spending late nights in the dingy, dark basement of WRW working on your calculus homework to working on your team projects in the gorgeous collaborative McKnight Student Center. You've been designing mission concepts that might someday be used in future space exploration, solving real-world problems using computational engineering methods, and designing aircraft in your capstone courses. Many of you have been conducting important research alongside our faculty, participating in internships, and studying abroad, gaining valuable experience along the way. I'd also like to note that this spring semester marks the third and largest class of computational engineering graduates to receive this degree since the program was established in 2017. And in the midst of our global pandemic, your class has remained resilient, determined, and strong. As you transition to your next chapter in life, I challenge you to reach for the sky and beyond, just like so many of our alumni are doing right now. So congratulations and hook 'em horns!
Class of 2020, I want to wish you a hearty congratulations. You have just completed a challenging program in biomedical engineering. Your class is particularly special to me because we both arrived at UT Austin in August 2016. Together, we have all developed a love of what a unique city Austin is and discovered the breadth of expertise at UT Austin. Throughout the last 4 years, it has been wonderful to watch you grow in both your technical skills and your confidence from conquering new challenges. Resilience that you have built will serve you well as you embark upon your careers, whether in industry or heading to graduate school or medical school. In particular, the instructors and the project sponsors for senior design have been impressed with how you have adapted your projects to the changing circumstances this spring and the great work you have accomplished in the second half of this semester. This is the true sign of a good engineer. Today, more than ever, we realize how important it is to have a workforce trained to solve engineering design problems to meet real-time needs in healthcare delivery. From the pharmaceutical industry to diagnostics and medical devices, we need your broad engineering expertise and knowledge of biological systems to solve the current and future challenges our global society will face. As practice problem solvers, I know that you are poised to lean towards optimism and will make great impacts on individual lives. As you head into the world, take with you that design mindset, seeking to identify what could be improved wherever you land. I challenge you to continue making an impact and change the world for the better. The faculty and staff of biomedical engineering will be watching with excitement to see all that you accomplish in the future. Hook 'em.
Congratulations to the 2020 graduating class of the Makeda Department of Chemical Engineering. I know the road's been rockier than expected, but you demonstrated resilience and adaptability. And these are both characteristics that I'm sure will serve you well in your personal lives as well as your professional careers. As department chair, I can tell you that the faculty are confident that you have the foundational knowledge and experience that you'll need to meet the challenges you'll face and to take advantage of the good opportunities that arise. As you celebrate today, consider thinking about the people who helped you along the way, those who invested in you and your success. You can pay it forward now by using your good fortune to help those in need and your know-how and influence to make the world a better place. We're in this together. With over 8,000 living alumni, you're now part of one of the most diverse and influential academic families in chemical engineering. So as you stay in touch, we'll keep you up to date with what's happening on the 40 acres, help you reach out to old friends, make new professional connections, and contribute to the exciting things happening on campus. Most of all, we look forward to seeing you back in the Makeda department whenever you're in Austin. So from the faculty and from the staff, we wish you well and congratulate you on all that you've accomplished. Hook 'em.
Congratulations, class of 2020 from Civil, Architectural, and Environmental Engineering. It's our first ever class of graduating environmental engineers. We're really proud of all that you've accomplished here, and we're really excited about all that you're going to be able to accomplish using your degrees. We look forward to staying in touch with you, to seeing you at alumni events, and even seeing some of you mentoring our students. Again, congratulations. We wish you the best in the future, and I really look forward to getting to see you in person sometime soon.
To the newest graduates of the Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering, congratulations on this momentous achievement. We celebrate your accomplishments and thank everyone who has made your journey possible. Your family and friends, everyone who's been a source of inspiration and support during a successful and not always easy journey. Today is not only about becoming an engineer or a professional, it's also about the lifelong connection to UT. So I hope you will consider our faculty and staff in this connection. To give you a proper send-off, here are my thoughts on what in hindsight I wish I had been told at my graduation. First, don't be afraid to be afraid or feel overwhelmed, especially in difficult times. You're surrounded by loved ones, maybe advisors and colleagues. Rely on them and don't be afraid to admit failure once in a while. Yes, the Success Summit sits on top of a mountain of failures. But true change only happens when we turn a no into a yes, so listen to your inner voice and rely on your support network to move things forward and do what our alumni do best: change the world. Second, don't let only your work define you. We are wrapped up in our daily work and take pride in how hardworking we are. Busyness is a way of life because it seems busy people are successful people. But many of the good busy times are outside of work. Biking a trail near the river, spending time with your loved ones, or just doing nothing. This may be our source of creativity and may end up being our legacy while we challenge the status quo. And finally, more haste, less speed. Think twice, thrice, or as long as you need to be comfortable with your actions. We live in a hyper-connected world where everything happens at supersonic speeds, so you may be asked to respond in negative time to an urgent, but perhaps not important request. Pause and think slowly rather than act fast. Be mindful of your own time and enjoy it. Just like you should enjoy this wonderful moment, together with your family, friends, and the extended UT family. Congratulations on this wonderful achievement. You've made it. Welcome.
Let me begin with a heartfelt and enthusiastic congratulations to the class of 2020 of the Walker Department of Mechanical Engineering. The class of 2020 will certainly be remembered as overcomers. You did it, and I'm so proud of every one of you. Today, I, along with your loved ones and all the Longhorn family, celebrate and congratulate you on all that you have accomplished. We honor you for the hard work that got you to this day. You have been resilient, creative, and persistent. You have overcome obstacles and have the passion, determination, and education to change the world for the better, in big ways and in small ones. And I know you will. Some of you will follow life's work in the industry, and others will take the next steps into continued education. But wherever your path is taking you next, I can't wait to see what you do and what you accomplish. Please stay in touch and enjoy this next chapter in life. And remember, always to hook 'em.
As the chair of the Hildebrand Department of Petroleum and Geosystems Engineering, I want to wish you, our newest graduates, congratulations. We still remember you getting off the buses at Balcony Springs for the first year fall retreat, going through the challenge courses with strangers who have now become your lifelong friends, and chatting with the faculty and staff who would guide you through to graduation over the next 4 years. You've all come a long way. You've shown us your resiliency as you persevered through challenges, and you've shown us your grace by how you celebrated your successes. You've also displayed your dedication to fostering an inclusive environment, creating that PGE community that others envy. We know the life lessons you've learned in the classroom, in the laboratory, in the Cockrell Center, and all around the 40 acres in Austin will serve as a foundation for your future success. When I meet with our alumni, they share their stories with me, and I can see their commitment to changing the world through their craft and through their will to serve others. I see those same qualities in you, and I'm optimistic for the future. So on behalf of all the Hildebrand Department, faculty, and staff, thank you for choosing the 40 acres as your home and for sharing a bit of your life adventure with us. We know your time as a Longhorn will give you access to many life-changing opportunities. We can't wait to see where the journey takes you. Congratulations again, and hook 'em.
During your time in the Cockrell School, I know that you have built lasting relationships with many of our professors, advisors, and other members of our community. I'm extremely pleased that many of our faculty and staff have recorded messages of congratulations for the class of 2020, and I'm excited to share a few of those messages now.
Hey, class of 2020.
Congratulations to the graduates of 2020.
Congrats, class of 2020.
Congratulations, class of 2020.
Congratulations to the class of 2020.
Congratulations on your graduation.
Congratulations, graduates.
Congratulations, class of 2020, you made it! You've worked so hard, probably had many late nights, and hopefully had a lot of fun along the way. We're so proud of you and excited to celebrate all that you've accomplished.
You made it! Congratulations on graduation. I'm so proud of you, so very, very much.
Congratulations, graduates. You have worked so hard and we're really proud of what you have accomplished. I'm sure you're going to go out and change the world for the better.
You are engineering graduates of the University of Texas, so go out into the world with the knowledge and the confidence that you earned and you deserve.
I'm so happy that I've been able to help support you in your journey, and I really look forward to seeing what you're going to do.
Class of 2020, we're also proud of you, the hard work you've done over the last few years, and especially your perseverance in finishing through these difficult circumstances. No matter where you're from or where you go, you'll always be part of the Longhorn family. Congratulations.
Congratulazioni.
Congratulazioni a tutti.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Alf Mabruk.
Welcome.
Parabéns formando.
Welcome.
Congrats, y'all.
Congratulations.
Felicidades.
We're really proud of everything y'all have accomplished while you've been here at UT, and we're really looking forward to what you guys are going to do next. I can't wait to hear more about it. Don't be a stranger. Stay in touch.
Whew. Just got off the beach there in Zoom land. It's been a great place to be with all of you. So glad to see so many of my undergraduates this semester graduating, and even some of the graduate students in my graduate course. I'm in transportation engineering in the Department of Civil Architecture and Environmental, and wishing you a wonderful period ahead of you. You've demonstrated a lot of resilience. It's going to hold you in good stead. We hope to see you back here for graduate school. Good luck to you.
I just want to say congratulations. You're going to do big things, class of 2020.
Congratulations to the Cockrell School of Engineering, class of 2020, from the Development and Alumni Relations Office.
What starts here truly does change the world. Do us proud. Go change the world for the better. Remember, ask the shop guys if you get stuck. They'll always help.
It's as if I've been working on the internet for 50 years to bring us to this very moment, your commencement. I love commencements. I sneak into them. The accomplishment, the certify, the joy, and the pride that you feel and your friends feel and your families feel. Congratulations on your graduation.
Your class will always hold a very special place in my heart because many of you were the first group of students who took all 4 of my BME classes. I've really enjoyed getting to know you and watching you grow. I can't wait to see what you're going to do over the next 5 to 10 to 20 years and what kind of people you're going to become.
I wanted to show you that there's still a lot of beautiful things in this world. And I also wanted to say that what you've accomplished over your career at UT, and especially over these last few months where you persevered and persisted with your studies, is one of those beautiful things. And so I'll try to keep this short, tell you to set a lot of new goals and do your best to achieve them and do us proud.
I've been thinking a lot about y'all as a group and what effects may eventually come to light from your experience this semester. My hope is that extraordinary times craft extraordinary people, whether that means in terms of empathy or resourcefulness or even new perspectives that may set you on unexpected life paths. I want to wish you all good fortune in the future.
Congratulations on becoming engineers. And I personally want to welcome you to the Cockrell School Alumni Network.
From the Tunnel family to the graduating 2020 BME class, we want to say
Congratulations!
Congratulations, class of 2020. What starts here changes the world.
Congratulations. Y'all make us super proud. We can't wait to see what you do next.
Okay, so you've learned a lot both socially and academically over the last 4 or 5 years. And here's the thing I want you to really remember. The next time you find yourself in a situation where you don't know anyone, and you're scared, and you don't know if you can do the things you're supposed to do, think back to how you felt the very first day of college. And what happened in college? You did make friends, you did get unscared, and you did learn to do the things that you were supposed to do. And in the process, you got a degree from one of the top engineering schools on the planet. And you finished it in the middle of a global pandemic. So if you can do those things, then you can do anything.
You've been through so much in the past 4 years and you made it. I'm so excited for all of you. You give me so much hope for the future and what the world will be. And you inspire me every day. Special shout out to the first graduating class of the Ramshorn Scholars Program. I'm so excited for you. You did it.
I want you guys to remember that when times get tough, you have something that very few people have. You have an education from the Cockrell School of Engineering. That is a very big deal. You have the ability to problem solve, innovate, and fundamentally, at the end of the day, you have learned how to learn.
Remember that this is step one on your lifelong learning journey, and that we are here to assist when you're ready.
Congratulations. Today is your day.
You're off to great places. You're off and away.
You have brains in your head.
You have feet in your shoes.
You can steer yourself any direction you choose.
You're out on your own and you know what you know.
And you are the one who will decide where to go.
You will be on your way up.
You'll be seeing great sights.
You'll join the high flyers who soar to great heights.
And will you succeed?
Yes, you will indeed. 98.5% guaranteed.
So you're off to great places. Today is your day. Your mountain is waiting. Go get on your way.
Congratulations on your graduation from Engineering Student Services Advising.
Yay!
You as a group and individually have done just an exceptional job of getting through a very difficult, trying circumstance. And I've told my faculty colleagues in biomedical engineering how absolutely impressed I have been with your persistence and performance in the face of the difficulties we all have been having to address.
We're so proud of you, and we can't wait to see how you change the world.
To the 2020 graduates in civil engineering, architectural engineering, and environmental engineering, including our first ever undergraduate class in environmental engineering, our faculty and staff toast you with a glass of safe and sustainable tap water.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Congratulations.
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 On behalf of the Women in Engineering program, we're excited to welcome you to the Alumni family. Congrats on your graduation and all your accomplishments. We're super excited to see what you're going to do next and how you're going to change our world.
Congratulations on graduating. Congratulations on your accomplishments. Congratulations on everything you have achieved during your work at UT. We're proud of you. Wishing you all the best and all the success in the future. Best of luck.
So proud of you on this momentous occasion. We know you've got a bright future ahead. Remember, what starts here changes the world.
Congratulations. I'm so proud of you. You made it through remote learning. You can make it through anything. Hook 'em, Longhorns.
Cheers to you and hook 'em.
And remember, always, keep your horns up.
Hook 'em.
Hook 'em.
Hook 'em horns.
Hook 'em horn.
Hook 'em. Hook 'em.
Congratulations to everyone and hook 'em horns.
Congrats again, hook 'em horns.
And hook 'em.
Congratulations to the Cockrell School's class of 2020. You are now alumni and part of one of the largest yet close-knit engineering communities in the world. And speaking of our amazing Texas engineering alumni, a few of our closest friends also wanted to congratulate you.
Hello, Cockrell School of Engineering, class of 2020.
Congrats on your graduation.
Cockrell School of 2020. You made it.
Hello, and congratulations to the Cockrell School of Engineering class of 2020.
Hey Longhorns, congratulations on the graduation. You guys did it.
Congratulations on your accomplishment.
Class of 2020, congratulations on your graduation. With this great accomplishment, you will achieve great things.
You're graduating at a time of great uncertainty, but times like this give birth to bold exploration. And that's my hope for you all. Embrace your fear, jump into the unknown, go boldly, and choose to do things that are hard.
Over the years, I've found the credibility of a UT degree could open many doors. Today, as the world struggles to reestablish its economy, the opportunity for your success has never been greater.
I'm so excited for you to join me as a fellow graduate of this fine university and the Cockrell School. What must it be like to be graduating now?
Now, I know this last semester was challenging and not what you expected, but remember, sometimes life's greatest opportunities disguise themselves as challenges.
Whatever the future holds for you, never forget all the challenges that you faced these last 4 years, and more importantly, don't forget how you were able to overcome each and every one of those challenges.
Remember, don't ever give up and believe in yourselves.
I want all of you to know that if you didn't make straight A's, and if you didn't make just A's and B's, and in fact, if you didn't make just A's, B's, and C's, you have the transcript to someday be the chairman of the Board of Regents of the University of Texas System and the Secretary of Commerce of the United States of America.
I also wanted to encourage you to maintain a positive, can-do attitude as you go out there and solve the problems of the world.
We're so proud of this Cockrell School of Engineering class of 2020. You're steeled by the past and you're prepared for the future.
As you leave college, you'll be entering a world full of unknowns and rapid change, and while that might seem nerve-wracking, remember, you studied engineering. Nothing can stop you.
I deserve all the pride in the world for pulling through these turbulent times and keeping top of going in business. So, toss your face mask up, and remember, especially in this brave new post-COVID world, OU still sucks.
Our engineering degrees have given us the opportunity to have very full and rewarding careers in aerospace.
And remember to get out there and change the world by volunteering.
Look for opportunities to give a hand up to those who come after you.
This degree means that you are well prepared and well equipped for all the doors that will open and the challenges behind those doors.
You all know that bachelor's degree in engineering from Texas is like a master's degree from anywhere else, right? And that reminds me of an Aggie joke. What does an Aggie say to a Longhorn when they graduate? Hey, boss!
You've worked hard to get to this point, and now it's time to go out and change the world.
You stayed the course, you persevered, and you overcame all obstacles that came your way.
Just remember to be positive, help others when you can, wash your hands, and most importantly, have fun.
I hope that y'all will use your degrees as the foundations of your lives and go out and change the world.
You made it from the world-class Cockrell School of Engineering. Now you're ready to go and make big happen.
Take a moment and celebrate the day. You've earned it. Your contributions to society have just begun.
You have a fabulous education and develop lifelong friends. I'm rooting you on and look forward to seeing how each and every one of you changes the world.
What began here at the University of Texas for me ended up here a few years later at NASA, where I helped build the International Space Station. I had a chance to do my little part to change the world. Now it's your turn. Congratulations. We're very proud of you. So go out there and do your part to change the world. And boys, hook 'em horns.
Go ahead and change the world. Make this a better place for all mankind.
Congratulations, guys, and hook 'em horns.
Welcome to the family of Longhorn alumni and Hook 'em Horns.
Hook 'em.
Hook 'em.
Congratulations again, and hook 'em horns.
Hook 'em.
Hook 'em horns.
Congrats again, and hook 'em horns.
Hook them horns.
Hook 'em horns.
Hook 'em.
Congratulations and hook 'em.
Hook 'em.
Grab that bull by the horns and hook 'em.
Hook 'em horns.
Hook 'em.
Hook 'em horns.
Hook 'em.
Now go out and change the world. Hook 'em.
So now, as I conclude, I have some simple questions for each of you to consider as you start the next chapter of your life. What will you do? Where will you go? And how will you contribute to the betterment of our society? The answers will be different for each of you, and the path along the way will be dotted with highs and lows. but you will have an abundance of opportunities. Work hard, take risks, and trust your abilities. And remember the tradition of excellence that guided your experiences at the University of Texas. Always strive to improve your life and the lives of those around you. To all the families and friends who have helped propel our graduates forward, thank you for your support. And to the graduates, congratulations again. This is your moment, and in spite of all the social distancing protocols, I hope that you find a meaningful way to celebrate. As is tradition at UT, we'll end this celebration with the Eyes of Texas. But this year, I'm happy to introduce a video of some of you, members of the class of 2020, singing. Please join along at home. Congratulations again, and hook 'em horns.
All right, guys, let's get this.
The eyes of Texas are upon you all the livelong day.
The eyes of Texas are upon you.
You cannot get away.
Do not think you can escape them.
At night or early in the morning.
The eyes of Texas are upon you.